Welcome, today in front of you Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar we should enter the X Icon Changer. Now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. Then just click here to open the app. Tap here continue tab and select one from these applications. For example, let's use the contacts. Here we can select new icon from the wallpapers, from this library with the folders of different icons. Also, we can use photo from our device gallery or just to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, let's use this icon. Tap to OK in the right upper corner. Now we should skip the videos here and click out to home screen. We can go to desktop directly or to change the next icon by the same way. And that's it. Let's just go here to the contacts and we can see the new look of our One Contacts app icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.